Reader, chapter number 2. First of all, tell me, do you fight with your friends? Or why you sometimes get angry with your friends? Yes, sometimes it happens. You get angry when your friends take your things without asking you or without your permission. Today we are going to learn a story about some school boys. Those were friends. In this story, there is a boy whose name was Swaminathan who gets very angry with his friends for something. Let's see, is he able to solve his problem or does it lead to another fight? So, the story name is, as already told you, The Tale of Tale. When Swaminathan entered the fifth grade classroom, a giggle went round the benches. He walked to his seat hoping that he might not be the cause of the giggling. But his classmates continued to laugh. He looked at himself and then around the classroom. His eyes traveled up to the blackboard. His face turned red. He became very angry. Something was written in a huge letters, and that was tail. 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 Swaminathan ran to the blackboard and dropped it off with his hands. He slowly turned around. His friend Shankar's head was bent over his notebook, and P was busy unpacking his bag. Swami felt very angry and very embarrassed. Without a word, he approached P and gave him a first slap on his cheek. P burst into tears and saw that he did not do it. Swaminathan cast a slight look at Shankar, who was absorbed in some work. Swaminathan turned to him and slapped his face also. Soon there was a pandemonium. Pandemonium, it means a situation in which there is a lot of noise and confusion. Shankar, Swaminathan, and P rolling over each other, tearing, scratching, and kicking oneself. Another. The bell rang. Just then Rajan came. Somu and Mani entered. The teacher came in and stood aghast. He could do little more than look on. He was the old Tamil Pandit, the most composed teacher in the school. Somu and Mani parted the fighters with great difficulty. Somu said, "Sir, please let us go out. We do not had already gone out." Pushing Swaminathan and P before him, Somu followed him with Shankar. All the friends came to a lonely spot in the field adjoining the school. There was a silence for a while, and then Mani said, "What is wrong with you, you little rogues?" The three started to speak at once. Swaminathan's voice was louder. He wrote tail, big tail on the blackboard. Big? No, I didn't. You, screamed P. The other two wrote it, cried Swaminathan, pointing at Shankar. Rascals, did you see me? Shankar get very angry. Mani covered their mouth with his hand. What is a tail, anyway? He asked. Then call me Rajan's. They call me Rajam's tail, sobbed Swaminathan. Mani and Rajam were sworn enemies. There was a frozen expression over Mani's face. He asked, and dares to talk. Who dares to talk of Rajam here? If any of you fellows have done it, growled Mani. Looking at the trembling Shankar and P, they have. What can you do? Asked Somu with sarcastic smile. What do you mean, Somu? Look here, Mani. Somu cried for a long time. I have been waiting to tell you this. You think too much of yourself and your powers. Mani swung his hand and brought it down on the Somu's snake. Somu pushed it away with a heavy blow. Mani aimed a kick at Somu, but he stepped aside. The three youngsters could hardly believe their eyes. Somu and Mani, the best friends, were fighting. They had lost their heads. They thought that Somu and Mani were killing each other. They looked at each other and then ran towards the school. They burst in upon the headmaster, who gathered from them with great difficulty that two murders were being committed at that very moment. He laughed it off at first, but the excitement and the seriousness of the boys made him made him he laughed it off at first, but the excitement and the seriousness of the boys made him scratch his chin. He called Pune and set off to the field with him. The fighters, rolling and rolling over one another, were everywhere in the field. The headmaster and the Pune easily picked them apart, much to the astonishment of Swaminathan, who had thought till then that the strength that Somo or Mani possessed was not possessed by anyone else in the world. All the five boys quietly followed the headmaster to his room. So, this is your today's story of the tale of a tale. So, what do we learn from this story? We should fight to each other. No, not at all. We learn we should never blame anyone without any reason and do not fight with them. And one more thing is that we should respect each and everyone, whether they will be elder or younger. So, let's see what is the next. Something is for you. Yes, this is your assignment. Question number 1. This is your question. In Indian culture, the teacher, Guru, is considered next only to God. Do you approve of Somu and Mani's attitude towards their Tamil teacher? They, how should students behave with their teacher? So, this is your personal response question. You have to think about it on basis of your this lesson and write the answer in your own words. That how should student behave with their teacher? Thank you very much and have a nice day.